Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark. Today we're going to take a look at the DJI OSMO Mobile 3. Now you might be wondering why I would need a mobile gimbal when I'm always banging on about my OnePlus having such great image stabilization. Well, I've been testing out little Bluetooth microphones, and the major problem I'm finding with them is you can only use the microphone with the microphone's app. And that app doesn't make use of my mobile's image stabilization, and so I end up with very jerky footage. Now, I've previously reviewed the original OSMO Mobile, and you can see this one's a lot more compact. So this is the original one. The controls and layout are pretty similar, but there's a couple of key differences that make this one a great upgrade. As you can see, when not in use, this one's far more compact. The OSMO Mobile 3 also allows you to pop a tripod on the bottom, and it can be charged via a USB cable. So before we get stuck in, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my clear, concise reviews. So if you're into your vlogging and your camera doesn't have good image stabilization, you might find it's a bit jumpy like this, where it's bouncing around a bit as I'm walking along, and that's where the OSMO Mobile comes in. So now if you add the OSMO Mobile 3, so as I'm walking along, I'm moving up and down. It's exactly the same path as I was on before, so I'm jumping over squelchy water, but you can see that the footage is lovely and smooth. So this is using the front-facing camera to record me. As well as smoothing out your footage, there's a range of other options. You've got photos, videos, time lapses, hyperlapses, and a new mode which I've not tried before, which is a pre-edited template and called a story, and all you have to do is film these segments of footage. So there's different types, different styles. You pick the template, it gives you little durations, 2 seconds, 2.4 seconds. You film that and it puts it together. To see the finished result, head over to my Instagram page. So the OSMO Mobile also has face tracking. Do this backwards, yes we can. And so it can track your movements as you move around, so as you're explaining something, and it can do it fairly quickly as well. You can move around fairly quickly, and it'll do up and down as well as left and right. If you've used a mobile gimbal before, you'll find the control layout it's fairly standard across them all. You get the little joystick in the middle and zoom options. What I like about the OSMO Mobile 3, it's not just for people like myself who do landscape for YouTube. If you're into doing your stories, Facebook or Instagram, you quick click and this will rotate around and give you portrait mode. So there you have my very quick look at the OSMO Mobile 3. If you're suffering from shaky camera footage, this is a brilliant addition. And even if you're not going to use it out and about, if you just want an intelligent tripod, if you like, one that you can pop somewhere, pop your mobile on, and it will follow you around as you're making your videos, then this is a great option, and it's actually a pretty decent price as well. I'll put links to this in the description below if you want to check out the current price. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.